Hi, I'm Matt with Dirt Road Cred, and in today's Distinction Applied installation video, we're going to show you how to install a set of Distinction Applied covered up keyhole covers on your 2018 to present Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as your Jeep Gladiator. Now, these are also going to be the same steps if you've got a Jeep Wrangler JK, as these do not require any tools to get installed. Now, we've got three of them laid out here today. We've got both the front door keyhole covers, as well as the rear tailgate keyhole cover, if it comes equipped on your Jeep Wrangler. Now, these are a great way to accent the outside of your Jeep, require no tools at all, and also cover up, hence the name Covered Up, any of the chrome that is on your door. Now today we're going to install these in the 41 clear coat, but you can also get these in hydrographic dip patterns or any accent colors depending on the theme you're going with on your build. Today we're going to get them installed on our 2025 Jeep Wrangler 2-door. So guys, all you've got to do is locate your keyhole cover, grab your Distinction Applied piece. It can be put in any orientation. Make sure obviously you clean this off if it's got mud, debris, or anything like that. You don't want to have that in between with that magnet or it might not stick as well, but it's about all it takes, right? Like that. So there are two different sizes. I said the tailgate one is a little bit smaller. So if you're doing that, just note that there are two different sizes on these. But the cool thing is that we've tested these, right? So we've had these on both of our Jeeps. I wanted to give you more of our opinion on them. So we've run them through the car washes. We tried them with pressure washers. They stay on there very well. That's not to assume that you might not have the super mega power washer and it blows them off. However, in daily conditions, driving, even brushing up along some things, these stay on there very, very well. It's a very tight magnet seal. And the nice thing, like I said, in the winter, in the summer, the salt, the sand, anything like that can get up onto the keyhole there and just make it a little bit more hard to get in if you do need to use your key. But let's be honest with you, I just think it looks a lot cleaner. It covers up the chrome, and that's the only piece of chrome on the side of most of these Jeeps, and I just like it like that because you don't notice it as much. So a really quick, a clean install with no tools required. And if you guys picked up a set of these covered up keyhole covers for your Jeep, thanks for making your Jeep distinct with Distinction Applied.